Mahilig pa kayo sa seafood? Sa Simpol today, gagawa tayo ng isang very popular bar chow. Ibig sabihin, pangpulutan talaga to, pero bagay din siya sa ulam with rice. Kaya gagawa tayo ng spicy gambas.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
So, sisimulan natin yung ating gambas. Gambas actually means shrimp in Spanish. Kaya, gambas, kahit anong luto mo, gambas, gambas pa rin yan. So, yung gagawin natin today ay gamit natin ay prawns galing sa Sustainable Grocer. Yan. And, imamarinate muna natin siya with soy sauce and calamansi. No? So, that's around like 12 pieces of large prawns. Yan. Marinate muna natin. And now, we heat up the pan and we're gonna heat up some oil. So, yung gagawin natin, we're using two kinds of fat, no? We're gonna use a combination of oil and margarine, no? You can also use butter. Bakit hindi ba diretso mag-fry or mag-saute with margarine? Ang margarine kasi or butter has a lower burning point. So, what we're doing is, we're using the high temperature of the oil to saute our garlic and the margarine or butter for flavor. So, nakukuha natin kasi pag oil lang ginamit natin, medyo neutral yung flavor, di ba? And we add our prawns, no? Then we add dried herbs, yung gamit ko dito, just dried basil, kasi yun lang meron ako ngayon dito. I add a little bit of tomato sauce, around 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Gagamit din ako ng sriracha. So, gamit ko dito is 1 tablespoon. But if you use just regular hot sauce, you will have to use lesser kasi mas maanghang yon. Yan. A little bit of sugar to balance, around 1 tablespoon of sugar, just to balance the flavors. Yan. Toss natin. Very quickly. Yan, toss natin. What I do now is I add a little bit of diced red and green bell peppers, siling pangsigan or finger chilies, cut diagonally, seasoned with salt and pepper. So, it's already done. Sobrang bilis. And just to finish, pwede you just squeeze a wedge of lemon or calamansi just to give it a brightness. No? Sa dulo na siya, hindi mo na siya lulutuin. And if you serve this in a sizzling plate, oh my God, with crusty bread, di ba? Sobrang sarap niya. O ano, lulutuin nyo na to. Sobrang easy, sobrang simple, sobrang sarap. I'm sure magiging patok to sa pamilya. Just remember to keep it less spicy for the kids and very spicy for the adults kasi kung walang spice, walang boom. Kaya lutuin nyo na to ang ating spicy gambas. Simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.